Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Chairman Sir, respected Chairman Sir, and Chairperson Ma'am. Welcome to the virtual celebration of 74th Independence Day. And over to Manjusha Ma'am.
Okay, I wish a very good morning to Honorable Chairperson Sir, Ma'am, Shivam Sir, Principal Ma'am, all my respected teachers, parents and dear students. Today we are celebrating our 74th Independence Day, a day which reminds us about freedom fighters, their contribution and sacrifice. It's a big day for Indian citizens because on 15th August 1947, India got freedom from the British rule. The Independence Day is celebrated all over India with a great joy. It is one of the greatest festivals of India. We must respect our national flag and national anthem. We should feel proud to be an Indian. दिल से निकलेगी ना मरकर भी, दिल से निकलेगी ना मरकर भी वतन की उल्फत, मेरी मिट्टी से भी आएगी ऐ वतन, मेरी मिट्टी से भी खुशबू आएगी ऐ वतन की. Now I request our school coordinator Rohit sir for the welcome of our guest. I request Rohit sir. So I request you to please do the welcome of our guest.
Good morning, one and all. No caste can divide us, no laws can separate us, no COVID-19 can stop us, no colors or creeds can decide our future because we are children of one mother. Good morning to all, respected Chairman Sir, Chairperson Ma'am, Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear students. At first, let me wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today, we are celebrating 74th Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, we got independence from British rule. We should celebrate this day with a great spirit. We should remember our great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and others. A peaceful life that we are living today is just because of their sacrifices. Let's all work together to make our country the best country in the world. Today, Ram Shanti Vidya Mandir is celebrating Independence Day virtually. This is unusual celebration, though this pandemic may stop us to step out, but it can't stop our desires. So, I welcome all of you to the virtual celebration of Independence Day. Right now, we are live on YouTube as well, where many of our parents watching us. So finally, I would like to say that we must be proud to be Indian. So let's celebrate today with a great joy. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
So let's start the program with national anthem. But before that, I want to request all of you, wherever you are, please stand on your position and do not unmute yourself.
शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की जय।
जय जय
Jai. Yes. Now, I request our beloved Principal Ma'am to address us.
A very good morning, everybody. Respected Chairman, sir, Chairperson, ma'am, my dear staff, and my dear students. Wish you all a very happy 74th Independence Day, a day which should be celebrated by each Indian with a lot of pride and lot of honor. I, being the citizen of India, is very proud to be a part of this nation, and as a citizen, I want all of you to realize that it is a moment, a day to celebrate from the core of the heart. Today, the situation that is the pandemic, COVID-19, is a difficult situation for each one of us, for all of us. Everybody is struggling, the entire nation is struggling day in and out. And we are finding no solution to it. But we should not panic. Trust the Honorable Prime Ministers and the Ministry of the country that they will someday come up with the solution and we all will be back with our normal lives. This is the new normal of celebrating virtually. If I say celebrating, so don't be sarcastic about it, because definitely the enjoyment, the pride, the honor will always be within us, whether we are face to face or online. It is a situation which has to be faced with a lot of strength, and I'm sure all of us will do it. And I'm praying to God with deepest feelings that sooner the situations are better and we find out, the country and the nation finds out the vaccine, it is under procedure, finds out the vaccine, and all of us live a normal life and celebrate these kind of days together at our own school, our Ram Shanti. So, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day again. Stay safe, be safe, take care of yourself, have good food, and keep smiling, and do not lose the hope. We are coming back to you soon. All of us will be meeting soon together. I am sure, not virtually, but really, honestly, face to face. Thank you so much, the management, for always being there, supporting and guiding, and always being saying yes to everything I say. Thank you so much, Saroj ma'am and Subhash sir, the chairman sir, and Shivam sir. My special thanks to him. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day. Take care.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for sharing your knowledgeable ideas. Now, it's time to introduce our school council. That is head boy, head girl, deputy head boy, and deputy head girl. We have the introduction of our school council for this session 2021.
Honorable Chairman Sir, Chairperson Ma'am, Shivam Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the teachers, and all my dear friends, good morning. I am Achal Kalambe from class 10th B, presenting before you as the head girl of the Ram Shanti Vidya Mandir School for the session 2020-21. I sincerely thank you all for selecting me as the head girl of to live up to your expectations and also to fulfill all my responsibilities. Thank you.
Honorable Chairman Sir, Chairperson Ma'am, Shivam Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Good morning. Wish you a very post of school head boy. I am very grateful that you have given me the opportunity to become school head boy. So thank you so much, and once again, Happy Independence Day.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Tanushree Dhatre from grade 10th B. I'm representing myself as a deputy head girl of Ram Shanti Vidya Mandir School. And a hearty thanks to all the voters of Ram Shanti Vidya Mandir who made their voice heard. Further, I sincere thanks to those who choose me retain as one of the council members. Once again, a very happy Independence Day to everyone.
Respected Chairman Sir, Chairperson Ma'am, Shivam Sir, Principal Ma'am, and all the teachers, good morning. I sincerely thank to those of the students those who have given me certificate of Ram Shanti Vidya Mandir. Thank you.
Our students will chant a patriotic song.
तेरा सब कुछ मेरा सब कुछ महबूब मेरे तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान है, ए वतन महबूब मेरे तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान है। जिएंगे और मरेंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है या भी देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है या भी देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए। भी देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए हर करम अपना करेंगे हर करम अपना करेंगे तेरे लिए दिल दिया
What a nice and heart-touching song. Thank you for chanting a melodious song. Now, we call upon head girl Ms. Achal Kalambe to deliver a speech on Independence Day.
Honorable Chairman Sir, Chairperson Ma'am, Shivam Sir, worthy Principal Ma'am, respected Coordinator Sir, and all the respected teachers. Good morning. Firstly, wish you all a very happy 74th Independence Day. I am Achal Kalambe, being honored to get this opportunity of delivering the speech on this special day. 15th August 1947, the most remarkable and golden day in the history of India. It is the day on which the Indian subcontinent got freedom from the British rule after a long struggle of about 200 years. Every year, this day is celebrated as Independence Day all over the India. Strength and growth come only through continuous effort and struggle. And this is what our freedom fighters did. So a great salute to each one of them who contributed in making our country independent. It is truly said that if you do not have respect, honor, and loyalty for the nation, then your existence is worthless. Being an Indian, we should feel proud to be the citizen of a country where each day is a celebration of unity and harmony. Today, India emerges as a developing country. Our country is being developed day by day in every sector. Apart from this, the latest issue of COVID-19 is also being fought by us. It has caused various disruptions not only to the economic growth but also to the health of the population. We can also contribute in fighting against it just by staying at home. And why not? After all, it is our duty to serve for the nation. Hence, to conclude, I feel that it is the responsibility of every citizen to rise and make our country strong in all aspects. So, on this special day, let us come forward and make a promise to rise and make our country strong. I would end it up with few beautiful lines. ना पूछो जमाने से क्या हमारी कहानी है, ना पूछो जमाने से क्या हमारी कहानी है, हमारी पहचान तो बस इतनी है कि हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं. जय हिंद, जय भारत. Thank you.
Thank you, Achal. It was really a wonderful and heart-touching speech. Thank you once again. Now it's turn for our next program, which is dance.
तलवारों पे सर वार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया के कफन जद तुरया तन के मौत नू वाजा मारे वे थर थर कपदे सारे छल्ला सिर ते बन के कफन जद तुरया तन के मौत नू वाजा मारे वे थर थर कपदे सारे
झुके तेरे आगे सर, तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, तुझे सलाम इंडिया. झुके तेरे आगे सर, तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, तुझे सलाम इंडिया.
है वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जहाँ तक लुटा जाएंगे. फूल क्या चीज है तेरे कदमों में, हम भेंट अपने सरों की चढ़ा जाएंगे. है वतन
मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी.
वंदे मातरम, 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 वंदे मातरम. तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू. तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू. जहाँ डाल डाल पे सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा.
ऐ मेरे प्यारे वतन, ऐ मेरे बिछड़े चमन, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान.
ये तुझे वीर जवानों का, लबेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारो, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का गहना. यहाँ चूड़ी छाती वीरों की, यहाँ बोली शक्लें हीरों की, यहाँ गाते रांझे, यहाँ गाते रांझे, मस्ती में मचती है धूमें बस्ती में.
It was a nice one presentation. You all know that everything is going on virtual. Okay. Now, every time this was happen only because of Vipin sir. Every time he proved himself that he can do anything. And in this difficult situation, also he proved himself that he can do anything. So a special thanks to Vipin sir. On the occasion of Independence Day,
are huge numbers and we are falling short of time. So the results for the various competitions held will be posted on Facebook. So you have to enjoy that result. Meanwhile, I request our chairman sir, if he wants to, if there is no compulsion, if he wants to say something to our staff and the children.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Ari is sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
hello. Yeah, okay. All of you wish you 74th Independence Day. Very happy. आप सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं स्वतंत्रता दिवस की. Are you getting my clear, भाई? Yeah. Okay. Yes. All of us, management and teachers and all our staff, jointly we have to give shape to our strength. Overall, we have to do overall our strength to build our nation. As per our nation is going to be a leader of world. In all sectors, we are now getting very good response. As far as other countries' management is concerned and other countries' research is concerned, we are all our Indians are doing very good. And it's our now responsibility to build our strength that they can give more better for our country. Again, wish you all of you, wish you 74th Independence Day. मेरी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आप सबके साथ. आप सब मिलके एक एज ए टीम वर्क अपने बच्चों का सर्वांगीण विकास करें और बच्चों को एक वर्ल्ड लीडर तक देके जाएं. थैंक्स टू एवरीबॉडी.
thank you very much, sir, for your motivational speech. Thank you, ma'am. Wish you a very happy Independence Day.
आप लोगों को भी सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now it's time to sum up the program. But before that, I request Vaishali Chitrikar madam for vote of thanks.
Shivam sir, respected principal ma'am, school coordinator, TS teachers, parents and students, very charming good morning to you all. And I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I take this privilege to propose the vote of thanks as the CCA coordinator of RSVM on the auspicious occasion of Independence Day of our country. As we know, we all are going through this pandemic. It was very difficult to come together to celebrate this day. Still, we tried to celebrate it virtual, and we did it. We would like to express our sincere gratitude to the management for their constant support in all forms. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. I would also like to thank our most supportive principal, Charu ma'am, the lady who always ready to hold our hand. She taught us many things. We would like to thank our school coordinator for always being there through thick and thin and helping us in all situations. Yes, we are grateful to have such management, principal and coordinator. I just want to say that ये वो जोड़ी है जिन्होंने हमें तराशा है. I thank the entire staff for their direct indirect support to succeed today's program. I also thank to parents and students for being with us for this day. Thank you everyone. Thank you. And once again, happy Independence Day.
Madhya ma'am, conclude and then instructions by roll.
Now here,